Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you in this video that you can earn money online. Earn money online, student fees, earn money to $1,000 to $5,000 per day. Get paid from $10 to $50 from filling work. Filling work anywhere from PC, laptop or and Android mobile phone. Guys, how to make money online? Pick up freelancer work, online test website and apps, pick up tax on Amazon, mechanical trucks service from money, make money from your blog us and see your all over us and get advertising online and money that YouTube channel become on Instagram freelancing computer online service. It is how to it is found too good to be told, but you can on extract cash by completing service online and telling and training. So guys, how guys 25 was to make money online, offline and at home. Make money within a site and learn how long it will take to show you in coming or all of the product. And in Amazon our option are here is a list of practical work on Amazon who want to make money but you are not sure the show. Don't worry, will be good or our cover it, and you not allowed some 60% for our sales performance that you against him and proceed month of the help the make extra money and the 64% square less than 20 hour doing. Guys, doing best job, doing according incoming all begin as a whole thing. 2021 report releasing in the May 2022 by the Board of Government of the Freelancing Receive system. I hope you like my video, so request all YouTube subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.